Welcome to this answer for the tangent function. If you notice on the left, that's just a regular graph or tangent of x. The domain, it goes from negative, well, for one period of it, it goes from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. So notice it's centered on 0, 0. Looks like a x cubed curve, except x cubed doesn't have vertical asymptotes. So with tangent, it's mostly about the vertical asymptotes and then also the point of inflection. So notice the point of inflection is on the x-axis. The first one's at 0, 0. The second one is at pi and 0. So with the way the horizontal axis is labeled, it doesn't have the pi's in it, which is confusing. I would definitely put in pi's, pi over 4, pi over 2, and so on for the horizontal axis. So then we're looking at our graph. That's the question. Tangent of 2x. So the period has changed. The period for tangent is always pi over b. B in this case is 2. So notice on the second graph, the blue one, the graph is compressed from right to left. So the period is smaller. It's pi over 2. So our vertical asymptotes have changed. And they would be at negative pi over 4 and pi over 4. And then the next one is a distance of pi over 2, so the period again. So it's important to know where the vertical asymptotes are so that we know what our domain is. The other thing that happens in our second graph is that it is bumped down by 2. So notice that point of inflection is not at 0, 0 anymore. It's at 0, negative 2, and so on. And then that happens for each of the other periods of the tangent curve. So to answer the question, the blue graph is the graph. You would label your asymptotes with dashed lines. So this program that's graphing this isn't doing a very good job in two areas. It doesn't mark the x-axis appropriately with pi's, and it also doesn't make dash marks on the vertical asymptotes. I also suggest with your vertical asymptotes that you label them. And so that first period that has the point of inflection on 0, negative 2, you would label the asymptote on the left as negative pi over 4. The one on the right is pi over 4. And since you're only doing 2 periods, you would just do the next one and label the next asymptote at 3 pi over 4. That means your domain goes from negative pi over 4 to pi over 4, the little union mark, and then pi over 4 to 3 pi over 4. And we're using, there's the regular parentheses, not the square brackets, because we do not include the asymptotes. I hope that answers this question in detail for you. If you have any other questions, reach out to me.